Hi, this is Saurabh Patil. This is Nikhil Shinde and this is Harish Rubin. So our team have built this platform where the buyer can buy the plants from our platform and the sellers can upload their plants for selling purpose. And here we can see all this e-commerce is built. So it's have all that functionality which required for e-commerce. Like if we go to sign and this. So basically, there are two options: register as a seller or normal user. So we are registering here as a normal user. Like if we take, for example, Harish email. So let's add some email and let's run this register process. So, so this is done. So we are now in here as a Harish. So we are as a Harish is now normal user. So we can shop the plants from here. If we take any let's take example, Harish wants to buy these plants. So we can add this. We can add like a quantity how much he wants. So let's assume he wants 10 pieces. So if we got as a checkout, we can say place order. So here he can place the order and continue the shopping, or he can see his order history and subtotal with the date showing. So now consider as we can now we are going to log in as seller. So let's do that. Register as seller. Shop name. Let's take example from enterprises. But on uh, copy. Let's take example. From well, let's take anyone. Okay. Just like if you take any of as well, like area which is finished, you know, um, not as a seller account, we can share with your. So here we can see the seller can add their plants into our platform. If we select the species, he will select the plants that he have, he wants to sell. So let's take the example, he wants to add tomato plant. So price consider as a $10 and stock we are going to add like 50 or 60. Line size medium as per the user wants to. Here we can edit, deactivate, delete this. So and this will list into our catalog. So here we can see that. So all types that you should add into this. Another user can buy it. So that's it. That's it. This is basic e-commerce. We can say actively e-commerce, which can both user normal users and sellers can register there. That's it. Thank you.